pata soft. Then we're gonna fry afterwards using air fryer. Alright, so now I've removed it from the boiling water and let it cool down a bit. And then now I'm gonna poke some holes on the skin. Just poke gently to make sure it doesn't tear up the skin. As you can see, some of the waters are coming out. So we're just going to also make sure none of this the herbs that I've put before might have stuck on the skin, so just remove it so it doesn't burn when I fry it. By the way, I'm gonna use an air fryer so that it won't be too oily, although there's gonna be oil that's coming out from the skin. So yeah, so and I will put this on the fridge overnight, let it dry some more, and then we are going to see how it goes. See you tomorrow. So I have removed the beef trotters from the fridge. Let it warm up a bit. And I'm gonna put it on the air fryer. So I also changed the plate of the air fryer to this wire screen, so maybe the air will flow inside properly. Okay, let's see how it goes. So somehow the two fit perfectly nice inside, but I'm probably gonna flip this later on. So we're gonna try first for 200 degrees for 10 minutes first, and see how it goes. I've actually removed one, so there's no space for the air because somehow it's not heating up properly. So this is the first one. I'm just gonna let it cool down first, and then I'm gonna try it again later. So as you can see, it's pretty much okay. I'm gonna let it run for another 15 minutes inside the air fryer. So I'll just let it cool down, so it's like double fry. So I'm gonna put it again for another 5 minutes on each side, and this is the second time. Okay, so I'm flipping it over. See how this is gonna be. Wow, still need a little bit more. Okay, another 5 minutes. So, wow, you can hear that still cooking. Oh my god, this looks so nice. Okay, we're gonna take it out and then we're gonna let it cool down. So we're gonna let these two bad boys cool down before we chop and serve. Oh my god. Oh wow. Still hot. Okay. still moist.